Starting from this, yeah. Let's see who's telling the first the characters of mystery character mystery. Okay. Yeah, the mystery characters. Okay. Disney princess, obviously, huh? First I make the circle is and I make the same again. I create this eyes, nice oval eyes like this. Okay, mouth. So still not understand what character we can create here. Now after that I create the hair. Okay. No, I do not do the hair. This is Disney princess. I make first the dresses.
Tell you one more secret. I can understand. One more secret is there.
Yeah. I make I make it uh I do not hear today not draw here now. Last time you
Sir, I think I understood it.
it is
Sir, I think this is from the princess and the turf frog.
okay, let's see.
No, sir, I think this is. No, she's the princess. She's the princess. She has a. Sir, is it Moana?
No.
This is Cinderella. Cinderella. Sir, Cinderella.
Cinderella.
Sir, see the. Sir, see.
Yes.
I had a doubt on this was Cinderella. Now it's confirmed.
Okay. This is this thing's only one character have, no?
Sir, see. No. Sir, this also Aurora has.
Aurora also have, right? So how you are confirm Cinderella for dress? This one?
No, sir, for the hair. Sir, see.
Yeah. Oh, here. See, yeah, that's nice. This awesome. Right. This is yeah. This is.
Trying after guessing it.
Oh. So you can create some scenery with this. Some hill stations like this to this. Make this. We are doing some only drawing this. Make it a tree.
Sir, can we show this from the background?
Okay. For character I just draw from 1 second beginner. Vedans not understand first. No problem, Vedans. First make the circles and do this and make it the eyes, mouth, here. Okay, beta, do like this, here like this, and do after that you do this. When your head is done, Okay,
Sir,
make it.
see, I have a petrol cheese toy.
Wow. Then make this body structure like this and like this. You make this hand and then jaw like this. Okay. Understood, Vedans?
So now he does not have his dress. Sir, one mistake you did.
What
You
took
have
out?
to. Cinderella doesn't wear a crown. She only wears a hairband.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay, this is mistake, right? Important why.
Sarma James does not have. Sarma James does not have his dress.
Okay.
And now he will wear it. See? Okay.
Yes, beta. Oh, so what character it is? So remember what character it is? I.